getting your stop losses cut out just to see the market moving in your direction, the typical price indicator is here to help, to smooth everything out for you and to help you with avoiding these unnecessary early exits. So let's talk about the typical price, one of my favorite indicators and yours too, if will be used correctly. Typical price indicator is price-based indicator. Instead of solely relying on the close price, the typical price takes the high, the low, the close, and average them down for you. How does it help us, the traders? So it gives smoother look at where the market actually is and how strong this current momentum actually is. Okay? So first of all, where is this indicator? So you go to the indicator section, other, the number 4 from the top, typical price. Now you can choose here all the settings as you prefer them. I like to make my line a little bit thicker, but you can choose it as you would like. You can also play with the visibility, what time frames, chart types you will see it, and add levels if you would like. So this is how it actually looks like. So what this indicator actually helps us with? Smooth price data, clear read where the market is. This is a single line on the chart, somehow looks like other indicators like the moving average, for example, or some others, but it is based purely on the price data, high, low, close, average. As simple as that. It also helps you to see the overall direction, current trend, current momentum on the market. One of the most popular way traders love to work around with the typical price indicator, myself included, I would say simple but yet powerful way to combine that is combine it with simple moving average. So here is how you do it. So we go to the indicators and I will type here moving average. Okay? You can choose any, just for the presentation, I'll be showing the 20 and we'll choose, let's say, different color like white. Okay. So here you go. So one of the best ways to combine it is crossovers. When the typical price crosses above the moving average, bullish indication crosses below, bearish indication. But to make it more reliable and avoid unnecessary noises, don't just watch for crosses, watch for crosses in the same direction with the same slope. What do I mean? Take a look what happens at that point here. Yeah? The moving average, which is the white line, is pointing upwards. But the typical price crosses downwards. Many times these kind of things would be a noise. And that's what we would want to avoid. So how to avoid that? When the moving average goes up, look for the bullish crosses from bottom up of the typical price. Like here, for example, we point up. So we would be looking for these crosses to the upside. Here it's all pointing up. So we'd be looking for these crosses to the upside. The typical price crosses up above. When the moving average is down, you will be looking for these typical price indicator crosses down. And that indicates a bearish momentum, bearish control, and great opportunities to look and sell. Very important to keep in mind because this indicator filters the short-term noises, the short-term price fluctuations. It actually helps us, the traders, to have a clear look at the current existing market direction and find good opportunities to trade with it. More indicators? Want to learn more trading tricks? make sure you follow this channel.